Hi grade 6s. Today we're reviewing factors and multiples. When we multiply two numbers together, each of the numbers is called a factor and the answer is called a product. Let's take a look at the number 15. If somebody was to ask you, what are all the factors of 15, could you answer them? I put up this times table to help you visualize it, but it's very important that you all know your times table. Okay, so we know that 1 times 15 equals 15. We also know that 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 5 equals 15. These are your factors of 15. So 3, 5, and 15 are your factors of 15. A factor multiplied by a factor equals a product. So 3 times 5 equals the product of 15. It is also very important for you to know the terminology. So a dividend, for example, 15, is divided by the divisor, 3, and equals a quotient, which would be 5. What is a multiple? Each time we multiply a whole number greater than 0 by another multiple, the product is called a multiple of that number. A multiple of a number is the product of that number times another non-zero whole number. So, what are the multiples of 7? This is pretty straightforward. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 28. And so on. It goes on and on and on. It's infinite. Okay, now I put the handy timetable in each one of your slides, but it's actually very important that you learn this. It's going to help you in the future, especially when it comes to working with fractions and ratios. Let's do one more together. Let's look at the number 9. What are all of the multiples of number 9 that are under 50? Well, again, we have this timetable, so it's super duper easy, but you should know this. So under 50, it would be 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 equals 36. 9 times 5 is 45. And then the next one, 9 times 6 is 54, so you wouldn't put that one in. What are prime numbers? Numbers that only have two factors, themselves and 1. If you look at this little diagram down here where it says prime number, 2, 3, 5, 7. That is because 1 times 2 equals 2, 1 times 3 equals 3, and so on. No other numbers other than 1 and itself go into it. What is a composite number? A composite number is a whole number that can be made by multiplying other whole numbers. For example, if you look down here, the composite number 4 is made up of the two factors, 2 times 2. The composite number 6 is made up by 2 times 3, and so on. So clearly we know that 2 is a prime number. Is 43 a prime number? If you look at this timetable here that I'm circling, you don't see 43 in here. And that is because 43 is a prime number. 1 times 43 equals 43. There are no other factors that can make up 43. I hope you made it to the end of this video because math is awesome. And I just want to reiterate how important it is to know your timetables. Thanks, everybody.